Hello everybody, welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. Today there is a new lesson which is model exit exam for English language and literature graduates. So all the new lesson focus on all the courses from year 1 to year 4. So I'm going to give some clear clarifications with example sentences. I hope you will watch the video and you will subscribe, like, share and write comments please. So that's what I would say about this lesson, please. Yeah, family link, and this is my contact address, my cell phone number. And if you want to communicate with me, just use my cell phone, either my telephone number or my telegram. So we'll start for the presentation, please. Yeah. Okay. ሰላም ናችሁ እንዴት ናችሁ? የዛሬው ርዕሳችን የአዲስ ርዕስ ሲሆን English language and literature ተመራቂ ተማሪዎች ሞዴል ሳምፕል ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ነው። ሞዴል ሳምፕል ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ነው። 100 ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ነው። ከአንደኛ ዓመት እስከ አራተኛ ዓመት ያሉ ኮርሶችን actually ይሄ ቴብል ኦፍ ስፔሲፊኬሽን መሰረት በማድረግ ወይም ኮርስ ዌት የኮርስ ክብደቶችን መሰረት በማድረግ ነው ጥያቄዎችን ዲዛይን ያደረኳቸው። At least the number of questions are 100. Every question has its own distractor. So I'll give you some time if possible to answer the question and to evaluate where you stand about taking for your exit exams. So, let me directly start for the question, please. The first question is a conversation between Abeba and Nisi. I think you understand me why I was late. The traffic was crowded. This is a two-line conversation. Opening statement is given, so depending on the opening statement, you try to complete for Nessi's response. How do I trust you? Why didn't you take the first trip to Jammu? And that's quite all right. I know you are idle. I don't know what is the intent of the question here. መጀመሪያ ጥያቄውን ነው ኦፕኒንግ ስቴትመንቱን በደንብ ከተረዳችሁ በኋላ ነው መመለስ የምትችሉት። ኦፕኒንግ ስቴትመንቱ ካልታወቀ መለስ ያስቸግራችኋል አይደል? አደን why was late the traffic was for እየተረዳኝ ይመስለኛል ለምን እንደዘገየው ትራፊክ በጣም የተጨናነቀ ትራፊክ ስለነበረ ነው ሲለው ኔሲ ምን ብላ ነው የምትመልሰው? how do I trust you ነው እንዴት ማመን አለብኝ? why don't you take the first trip to Jammu የመጀመሪያውን ትሪፕ ወደ ጀሙ የሚወስደው የመጀመሪያውን ትሪፕ ለምን አልያዝክም ነው? that's quite all right ምን ማለት አይደለም take it easy ማለት ነው. it doesn't matter take it right that's okay never mind just something like that. I know you are idle. It's a wrong aggressive expression, right? ስለዚህ ለዚህ ኤክስኪውዝ ነው አፖሎጂ ነው የጠየቀው አበበ። ለአፖሎጂው መልስ የሚሰጠው either refusing for the apology ነው ካልሆነ ደግሞ accept the apology ነው based on the reason that he justified why he was late, right? So that's quite all right ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ. That's quite all right. And it doesn't matter, don't mention, no problem, take it easy. All that the possible ways of giving a response. If someone asks you a kind of apology by justification why he did something wrong, why he was late, she was late actually. That's question number 2, a context-based question, please. Your English teacher informed you to submit the project work, but you didn't submit it because of your busyness by your own personal work. You would like to say, but yes, right. Yeah, understand the context. This is called situation context. Situation. 3 is the question. Your English teacher informed you to submit your project work, but you didn't submit because of your busyness for your own work. So I would like to say what? Right? Yeah, this is my own duty to submit my project to what? Right, of course. You didn't help me while I was doing the project work? No? Don't worry about it. Yeah, I beg your pardon for not doing in time. Please, yeah. Apologizing ነው የጠየቀው እዚህ ጋር right? ፕሮጀክት ወርኩን ሰሚት እንዲያደርግ መምህሩ ነግሮታል። ነገር ግን ልጁ በራሱ የግል ስራ ቢዚ ቢሆን ስራ መብዛት በተጠበቀለት ሰዓት ሰሚት አላደረገም። ስለዚህ ልጁ ተማሪው ለመምህሩ ምን ማለት ነው ያለበት? apologizing ነው አይደል? apologizing ሲያደርግ ደግሞ this my own duty so to submit my project work ብሎ አይደለም apologize. You didn't help me while I was doing. That's not the business of the teacher. It's not the teacher's business, all right? አይደለም don't worry about it አይደለም የሚለው so I beg your pardon for not doing on time. ተማሪው ለመምህሩ የሚለው ምንድነው? I beg your pardon for not doing on time. ስለዚህ የፕሮጀክት ወርኩን በሰዓት ባለማስረከቤ ይቅርታ በጣም ጠይቃለሁ ነው። I beg your pardon for not doing on time. Right expression ነው which is expected from the student. ከመምህሩ የሚጠበቀው ሳይሆን ከተማሪው የሚጠበቀው apologizing ነው የተፈለገው ነገር። መምህሩ ሌላ መልስ ይመልስ እንጂ መምህሩ don't worry about it ሊለው ይችላል take it easy ሊለው ይችላል it's your business nonsense ሊለው ይችላል aggressive or rejecting for the students apologizing. So the right answer here is B. D ብላችሁ ከመለሳችሁ right you are. Nice. The other one here is we infer the meaning in spoken discourse often relies on listening ነው ይሄ ጥያቄ we infer the meaning in spoken discourse often relies on meaning. How can you treat for spoken discourses, spoken expressions? Spoken expressions, if you are listening for native speakers through listening, how can you understand about that spoken discourse? ገብቷችኋል? የሆነ ኔቲቭ ስፒከርን ሊስኒንግ እያዳመጣችሁ ያላችሁ የኔቲቭ ስፒከርን የሚጠቀሙበትን ኤክስፕሬሽን ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ቮካብላሪ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ዲስኮርስ ሊስኒንግ ቴክስት በጥቅሉ ሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን እንዴት አንደርስታንድ ታደርጋላችሁ? ትርጉሙን ነው ኢንፈሪንግ deducing ማለት ነው deducing the meaning of spoken discourse. What strategy you use? Yeah, grammar only. If you just listen the grammatical pattern, is it possible to infer the meaning of that discourse? Yes. Context, tone and paralinguistic clues ነው የሚላችሁ the speed of the delivery and the speaker's accent. speaker's accent pronunciation ነው አንደርስታንድ የምታደርጉት የምትችሉት grammatical structure ነው የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን ጠቅላላ ሂደት አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ አያስችላችሁም። what was the speed of delivery, speed of the pace of the presenter? No, there is a context please here. The first one is context. What is the context of the listening text? Does the context focus on in the garage, a school, universities, colleges, cafes? I first understand the context where the listening text is prepared, right? Then I can just use my mind in line with that context please, right? መጀመሪያ listening text የቀረበበትን ኮንቴክስት መረዳት ነው። ጋራጅ ላይ ነው፣ ሆስፒታል ነው፣ ክሊኒክ ነው፣ ላውንች ነው፣ ላይብረሪ ነው፣ ቴክኖሎጂ ኦር ኢንተርኔት ካፌ ነው። that's the context የሚለን እሱ ነው። what is the speaker's tone? Speaker's tone. Tone by itself is the speaker's tone is high pitch, maybe medium pitch and low pitch. If the speaker uses high pitch, maybe that kind of tone is maybe aggressive or expressing for someone strong feeling. What is the tone if the speaker presents about medium tone? And what about the lower tone? So I first understand the tone of the speaker so I can treat or I can infer the meaning of the discourse, the spoken discourse. And there is also paralinguistic cues, yeah. The linguistic structure of that spoken discourse, all right? These are the very important points that I can treat or inferring the meaning of the spoken discourse by treating for the context where the listening text is prepared, the tone of the speaker, the paralinguistic cues are very special and important. So the answer is B ብላችሁ የምትወስዱት please. እነዚህ very important ናቸው። እነዚህን ከተጠቀምኩ ትርጉሙን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ይችላል ማለት ነው። nice. Question number 4. A listener identifies the main idea of a lecture in performing which listening function ነው የሚላችሁ main idea. አሁንም listening ላይ ነው። You are assume you are in the middle of listening a listening text. How can you understand the central idea of the listening text? Right? There are some more strategies to understand that one, please. Simply, if you listen 10 times, more than 10 times, you cannot treat or you cannot understand the listening text unless you employ some more strategies. That, right? 10-20 ጊዜ ብታዳምጡት የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን ሜን አይዲያ ትሪት ታደርጉት አትችሉም። ስትራቴጂዎችን መጠቀም ግን የግድ ነው። አሁን እዚህ ጋር ጠይቃችሁ ጥያቄው የትኛውን ሊስኒንግ ፈንክሽን ተጠቅማችሁ የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን ሜን አይዲያ እንዴት ትሪት ታደርጋላችሁ ነው። comprehensive listening ነው። comprehensive listening, detailed listening, comprehensive. I can just use comprehensive means the general listening skill what I have, what the listener have. comprehensive ማለት ከመጀመሪያ እስከ መጨረሻ የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን አጠቃላይ ሂደት መረዳት መቻል የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን ሜን አይዲያ አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ያስችለኛል ነው። comprehensive general listening skills ማለት ነው። comprehensive ማለት general. What about critical listening? I can just listen it critically. Of course, that's also another, but it doesn't encourage me to infer about the implied meaning of the listening text. Critical ማለት የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን implied meaningን ኢንፈር እንዲያደርግ አያደርገኝም። ነገር ግን literal meaning እንድረዳ ያደርገናል critical intensive listening ማለት ነው of course appreciative listening if you want to appreciate about the listening text you can use appreciative listening of course therapeutic listening if you just are listening for refreshment or if you listen for music lyric songs the kind of listening that you employ is therapeutic yes so the answer is comprehensive listening is important and advantageous please አራቱም listening functions ይለያያሉ comprehensive ማለት ጥቅል የሆነ ስኪሎችን መጠቀምና የሊስኒንግ ቴክስቱን ጽንሰ ሐሳብ መረዳት ነው number 5 Alex and Bob so I didn't understand this was yours sorry I didn't understand this was yours ነው ያለው አሌክስ የሆነ ነገር ወስዶበታል ነገር ግን ከወሰደ በኋላ sorry ያንተ መሆኑን አልተረዳሁም ነው ያለው yes ያንተ መሆኑን አልተረዳሁም ሲለው ቦብ ምንድነው የሚለው I can't just accept your apology what's that accent I can't accept no this in a very stupid expression foolish expression it's not expected from the one who replies for just now I believe that is mine no take it easy mine is yours what do you mean ምን ማለት ነው ተብሎ አይደለም ምን ማለት ስለታለ excuse apologize እኮ ነው የተደረገው ሰውየው he brought it and after he realized that it was not his I didn't understand if this was yours so take it easy mine is yours and yours is mine ምን ማለት አይደለም የኔ ማለት ያንተ ማለት ነው ያንተ ማለት የኔ ማለት ነው ብሎ ነው የሚመልስለት so accepting apology take it easy mine is yours right answer please ሌሎቹ በፍጹም መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም question number 6 Sosanna and Astier held on the line for a long time Sosanna watched Astier for holding the line for a long time so Sosanna wanted to ask Astier you held on the line for a long time what's wrong with you and Astier replies to Sosanna I should say that may I leave a message please no because Astier is not receiver of the telephone so it is not the expected expression from Astier wrong I'm waiting for someone's calling let's wait here see excuse me may I talk to him please this is not the expected expression from Astier because Astier doesn't act as a receiver right what are you doing Astier ተጠያቂ ነች what are you doing ብላ አይደለም የምትጠይቀው ስለዚህ ምን ሆነሽ ነው ረጅም ስልክ ይዘሻል I'm waiting for someone's calling የሆነ ሰው እየጠበቀልኝ እሱን እየጠበቁ ነው እየደወለች እንድደውልኝ እየጠበቅኩ ነው I'm waiting for someone's calling I should say I'm waiting for someone's calling yes የሆነ ሰው እየደወለ እየጠበቅኩ ነው የምትለው እንጂ ሌላ ነገር ልትላችልም ማለት ነው question number 7 nice question number 7 skimming a text primarily aims to reading question ማለት what skimming means skimming is a kind of reading strategy skimming scanning intensive extensive 4 strategies of reading you do understand this one when do we employ these strategies right let me explain in a short way intensive if you want to read the reading text intensively to criticize the whole reading text intensive reading is important one extensive if you read about fiction novel and about poems for refreshment the kind of reading strategy is extensive reading scanning if you want to just find out and dig some words reference words names statistics and also years very short and clear texts from the reading text scanning is preferable which is speed reading all right በጣም ገረፍ አድርጌ አይቼም ማያቸው ነገሮች ቃል ሊሆን ይችላል ስታቲስቲክ ሊሆን ይችላል አመተምረ ሊሆን ይችላል ቮካብ ሊሆን ይችላል ሪፈረንስ ወርድ ሊሆን ይችላል ስካኒንግ ይጠቀማለሁ skimming I want to identify about the general idea of the reading text or the central point of the reading text or the main idea of the reading text that I can employ that is called skimming type of reading ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው በቀጥታ አሁን ከሰጠሁት explanation based the central or the general gist or main idea quickly which is skimming type of reading ትሉታላችሁ that's please anyway that's A reader who questions the author's bias. Yes, and underlining assumptions is engaging, please. Engaging in what? አሁን እዛ ጋር በጣም በደንብ ማየት አለባችሁ። author's bias ነው reading text ነው። author's bias. author's may bias while he is writing for the article. እሱን የauthorን bias and underlying assumptionዎችን ወይም ኮምፒተንሲውን የሪዲንግ ቴክስት ኮምፒተንሲውን እንዴት ነው በየትኛው ሪዲንግ ቴክኒክ ልጠቀም ይችላል ነው። ሊትራል ኮምፕሬንሽን፣ ክሪቲካል ሪዲንግ፣ ኤክስቴንሲቭ ሪዲንግ፣ ስኪሚንግ ቅድም ብያቸዋለሁ አልደግም። ክሪቲካል ሪዲንግ ካላችሁ መልሳችሁ ትክክል ነው። ክሪቲካሊ if you understand, if you read it critically ማለት የኦተሩን ፐርፐዝ፣ የኦተሩን አቴንሽን፣ የኦተሩን አርጊውመንት፣ ሊትራል ኮምፕሬንሽኖችን እነዚህ ኢንፈረንሻል ሚኒንግስን ሪፈረንሻል ሚኒንግን አንደርስታንድ የማደርግበት የሪዲንግ ስትራቴጂ ክሪቲካል ሪዲንግ ይባላል። ክሪቲካል ሪዲንግ ነው። ስለዚህ the author's purpose identify የማደርግበት መንገድ the critical reading. I want to read critically, then I can interpret in different ways with my own language. Exactly, please. critically ቴክስቱን ካነበብኩት እንደፈለኩ በራሴ ቋንቋ አምጥቼ ኢንተርፕሬት ማድረግ ይችላልው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እሱ ነው መልሳችሁ። nice. Question number 9. Imagine something has been stolen from your shop and you want to inform to the police about the event happened and said what? Do you understand the question, please, here? ከሱቃችሁ ይሄ ነገር ተሰረቀባችሁና ያን የተሰረቀባችሁን ጉዳይ ለፖሊስ ሪፖርት ማድረግ አለባችሁ አይደል? ለፖሊስ ሪፖርት ስታደርጉ ምንድነው የምትሉት? What will be the correct expression for informing what happened in your office to the police officer? Wow, that's yeah. Do you know anyone who stole my money, my property? Is it really the expected expression for the person? Do you know anyone who stole my property? እዚህ ጋር ፖሊስ ቢሮ ሄጄ እዚህ ጋር የኔን ንብረት የሰረቀውን ሰው ታውቀዋለህ ብዬ ነው የምጠይቀው? ራይት ነው ወይ? Have you seen the thief? ሌቦቹን አይታል? ሌባውን አይታል? No. Someone stole my property when I was working inside and someone just right look ነው. Yes, someone has stolen my property when I was working inside my shop and a lot of some more things were stolen from my shop. I don't know who stole my shop. I don't suspect anyone. I don't know what I'm going to, but this is my time to inform what happened in my office. Right. እንደዚህ ብዬ ሪፖርት ማድረግ አይደለ? የሆነ ዘራፊ ዘረፈኝ የሆነ ነገር እየሰያው ማን እንደሆነ አላቅም የምጠረጥረውም ሰው የለኝም። ኤኒዌይ የተደረገውን የተፈጸመብኝ በደል ለእናንተ ሪፖርት አደርጋለሁ ነው የሚለው። ሲሚላችሁ እንደዛ ነው። yes ሲሚላችሁ እንደዛ ነው። yes what a stupid guy who stole my properties. Yeah very stupid expression, all right? Very stupid, you know. I don't know, say no one can say this expression if someone is hurt by doing something wrong actually. ብዬ አይደለም የሚሄደው አፕሮች ማድረገው እንደዛ ብዬ አይደለም አይደለ? So the answer is C ነው የሚጠይቃቸው። Nice, yeah. Question number 2. Choose the correct sentence. Correct sentence. Which one do you think is right and meaningful and acceptable ነው የሚላቸው? Yeah. Between you and I, the plan is flawed. Flawed, yes, flawed. Just between you and me, the plan is flawed. Between you and myself, the plan is flawed. Between me and you, the plan is flawed. What is the acceptable language here? Grammar question actually. ጥያቄው የጠየቃችሁ እሱ አይደለም። እቺ ነች between ነች። between ስትጠቀሙ ምን language structure ይወስዳሉ? ምን personal pronoun approach ይወስዳሉ ነው። እነዚህ among፣ between፣ us፣ that የምንላቸው በአብዛኛው በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ሲመጡ objective pronoun ነው የምንጠቀምባቸው። objective pronoun ለምሳሌ between you and I subject ነው wrong ነው። ስህተቱ እዚህ ጋር ነው። between you and I wrong ነው። between you and me, between you and her, between you and him, between you and us, between you and them, the right way acceptable ነው። ስለዚህ between ነው question. He question is between here. ለምሳሌ he is taller than I አይደለም እንለው። he is taller than I, he is taller than me, she is taller than me. taller than የሚለው word የሚወስደው object pronoun ነው። as tall as you know, asም the same approach ነው። he says among he and I አይደለም። he and among he and me, he and she አሁን የዘረዘርኳቸው ጉዳዮች object pronoun ይወስዳሉ። so the answer is absolutely B ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ because this is an object pronoun here. Nice. ስለዚህ በደንብ grammar question ትንሽ ጠጠር ይላል። በደንብ ውስጡን መታየት አለበት። all right, next question here. To write a meaningful paragraph, One has followed that process, brainstorming ideas and outlining the points. Yes, after that, yes, and tried the first draft by having information from the outline using transitional device. That you came to the revive, focus on the key point, that is that's content revision, how ideas are organized currently. Finally, you came to the editing section to edit the mechanics experience with the writing. After doing this, you come to the final draft of your writing. The best conclusion of the writing is, actually, ጥያቄው የሚጠይቃችሁ በጣም ኢምፖርታንት ኩዌስችን ባይ ዘ ዌይ ፕሊዝ ሂር አንድ እናንተ ለምሳሌ ራይቲንግ ፓራግራፍ ጽፉ ራይቲንግ ፕሮሰስም ተጠቅማችሁ ብትጽፉ ነው የምትሉት ብሬንስቶርም ብታረጉ አውትላይን አድርጋችሁ ፈርስት ድራፍት ጽፋችሁ ሪቫይዝ አድርጋችሁ ኤዲት አድርጋችሁ እንደገና ፋይናል ድራፍት አድርጋችሁ ከዛ ፐብሊሽ ስታደርጉ ነው የሚላችሁ ይሄን ፕሮሰስ ጠብቆ የጻፈ አንድ ጸሐፊ actually meaningful ይጽፋል አይደል አላቅም ግን the right approach ነው የሚባለው ይሄ the right approach ነው የምንለው ስለዚህ ይሄንን ኮንክሉድ ስታደርጉ ይሄን ሐሳብ ኮንክሉድ ስታደርጉት የትኛው ትክክል ነው ነው የሚላችሁ yes የትኛው ትክክል ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ if you use just any of the process your writing work will not be difficult exactly ይሄንን ፕሮሰስ አንድ ተጠቅማችሁ ከጻፋችሁ writing work ለእናንተ በጣም አስቸጋሪ አይደለም ነው on the whole writing is not a difficult task wherever you follow the steps or not yes ይሄን ተከተልክም አልተከተልክም writing ያስቸግር ነው የሚለቢ writing is so simple so you didn't follow each step and may not be a mess yes writing ቀላል ነው ስለዚህ ምንም ብትከተልም ባትከተልም ችግር የለውም ነው though you didn't follow the each step and it may not be a mess yes writing ቀላል ነው ስለዚህ መከተል የለባችሁም ግዴታም አይደለም ነው the writing work is as easy as if you don't like to use a working process so the answer is A ነው የሚላችሁ if you use any of the processes your writing will not be a difficult task exactly ይሄ advisable approach ነው በነገራችን ላይ advisable ማለት ተመራጭ ሆነ ነው ፕሮሰሶቹን ተጠቅማችሁ አንድ ነገር ብጽፉ meaningful የሆነ ፓራግራፍ የተዋጣላት ፓራግራፍ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ actually አንድ ቪዲዮ ፐብሊሽ አድርጌያለሁ the writing process በደንብ ቪዲዮውን ተመልከቱት example ለእያንዳንዱ ሰጥቼ take and answer the question please nice question number 12 please መቶ ጥያቄ ነው ብዙ ሰዓት ሊወስድብኝ ይችላል as I see her I will say hi this type of sentence is what as I see her I will say hi I know actually sentence በሁለት እንከፍላቸዋል sentence in function and sentence in structure sentence in structure simple sentence compound complex compound complex and complex ስድስተኛው compound complex ናቸው simple sentence it has one main idea compound sentence two main ideas can be combined with coordinating conjunction compound sentence one or more main idea can be combined with subordinating conjunction with one or more dependent clause complex sentence compound complex sentence two main clauses can be combined with one dependent clause compound complex sentence nice as I see her ሲል as I see her ኮማ አለ ማለት አንድ ዲፔንደንት አለ አንድ ሜን ክሎዝ አለ ማለት ነው ይሄ አለ ማለት ሲምፕል አይደለም ኮምፓውንድ አይደለም ኮምፕሌክስ ይሆናል በቃ ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም as conjunction ነች ታይም ነች ሪዝን ነች ሁለት አድቨርብ ነች ሁለት አጠቃቀም አላት ሪዝንን ትገልጻለች ታይምን ትገልጻለች ዛት ስለዚህ ኮማ በመካከል አለ ማለት ይሄኛው adverbial clause of time ነው ስለዚህ complex sentence ብላችሁ መልሱልኛላችሁ nice since I am here to help you this type of sentence error is nice sentence clarity ገባው sentence meaningful effective sentence three qualities a sentence has one is clarity second economy the third one emphasis clarity ላይ ምን ስመጣ meaningful sentence affect የሚያደርጉ ነገሮች አሉ እነሱ ነው ማናቸው error on sentence fragment dangling pronoun antecedent and subject verb forty parallelism comma splice great interesting ይሄ sentence error ምንድነው since I am here to help you do you get anything here if you read this one maybe 3-4 times since I am here to help you this type of sentence error is ነው የሚላችሁ dangling misplaced pronoun antecedent fragment yes the answer is frag because it doesn't stand by itself it is incomplete no meaning at all it is an independent it doesn't stand by itself so we can get anything from this one right so a fragment has a definition so this is a fragment please fragment She likes either to play chess or stay outside. This sentence error. አሁንም writing ላይ ነው ጥያቄ ያለው writing ላይ ነው። She likes either to play chess or what? Staying outside. The sentence error is faulty parallelism, dangling modifiers, run-on sentence, and subject verb agreement problem ነው የሚላቸው። በጀመረ ሐሳቡን ማየት ነው። faulty parallelism ማለት if there are two different verbs, phrases, and clauses which have different structure, that kind of error is maybe faulty parallelism. Run-on sentence, to mean clause cannot be separated with a kind of punctuation mark. That's run-on sentence. Dangling modifier, the principal and the implied subject do not have the same subject, the same performer. That's dangling modifier. So the problem here is, look here, either to play chess or stay outside. To play chess infinitive phrase ነው. staying outside gerund ነው. ሁለቱ የተለያየ sentence structure አላቸው። ይሄ ማለት faulty parallelism ነው። faulty parallelism. Look here, she likes either to play chess or to stay outside. አንደኛው እንደዚህ ነው የምናስተካክለው። staying የሚለውን ትተን to stay outside ሁለተኛውን የመጀመሪያው በተገለጸበት ነው። ሌላ መንገድ please. Another way please. Yeah, she likes either playing chess or staying outside ሁለተኛው በተገለጸበት either playing chess or staying outside. The right way ከሁለቱ አንዱን ተጠቅመን እናስተካክላለን። Anyway, the problem is faulty parallelism ትሉታላችሁ። faulty parallelism. Let's come to the next question. Look here, neither the students nor the teacher blank happy with the result. Yes, neither the students nor the teacher happy with the result. Subject verb agreement problem የጠየቃቸው is, are, where, be ሁለት ጉዳዮችን ላሳዚጋ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በናይዘር ኖር ወይም በአይዘር ኦር ከተገለጸ verb የሚወሰነው neither now ላይ ነው። neither now ማለት ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ያለው the teacher የሚለው ላይ ነው። the teacher singular ነው። ስለዚህ የምንጠቀምበት verbs is ይሆናል። the teacher የሚለው the teachers ቢሆን are እንጠቀማለን። ስለዚህ አንድ definition አስቀምጣለሁ። if words and phrases which can be combined either or neither or, the verb agrees with the neither noun just like the teacher. Thank you very much. Question number 60. I look forward to blank from you. I look forward to blank from you. Hear, hearing, be hearing, have heard. Grammar question please. The grammar question please. Forward to ሁለት ጉዳይ እናገራለሁ እዚህ ላይ verb pattern የምንላቸው ነገሮች አሉ። ለምሳሌ forward to ስትዩት forward is a word please. It is preceding with a preposition to. ስለዚህ ከሱ ቀጥሎ የሚመጣው ቃል በጀረንድ መገለጽ አለበት ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ I am good at drawing pictures. I am interested in speaking English. I am afraid of doing something. And she's died of, yeah, right. ስለዚህ an adjective or participle plus a kind of preposition and the next word or the next verb should be expressed with only gerund form. That's please. አሁን የሰጠኋችሁ ምሳሌ ኢምፖርታንት ነው። ስለዚህ I look forward to be hearing, have heard, hear አይደለም hearing gerund one please. Yeah. Question number 17. Last time one of your roommates was absent from the class and she told you to inform the teacher that I forgot to the policy. Yeah, you tend to hear what you like to say to that please. Yeah. Let me say something in Amharic please. Yeah. ባለፈው አንዷ ጓደኛ ነው የጠየቀች የስልክ ከክፍል ውስጥ ቀርታ ነበርና መቅረቷን ለመምህሯ ነገርልኝ ብላ ነግራሃለች ወይም ነግራቻለች። ነገር ግን ሳትነግሩ ቀራችሁ እናንተ ነው። yes የተነገራችሁትን ትእዛዝ ሳትነግሩ ስትቀሩ ጓደኛችሁን ስታገኛት ምን ብላችሁ ነው የምትሏት እናንተ? What expression is expected from you as a friend, right? Don't worry about it. The teacher is kind. It's not true please. Yeah, because she didn't ask you whether the teacher is kind or not. It was not her intention. Understand your problem, so it doesn't matter what. No, you are not a teacher. You are her friend. So you cannot say just like this. I do apologize for not telling the teacher, but I know that was my fault. Exactly. I'm sorry I didn't tell to the teacher. That was my fault, please. I'm terribly sorry. Sorry. All right. Yeah, I beg your pardon. I didn't tell you what you told me to inform to the teacher. I know you were busy. You were in problem. That was my fault, and I'm going to tell you the teacher, please. Yeah, right. Look at it. አልነገርኩም ይቅርታ የኔ ስህተት ነው ስለዚህ መምህሩ ነግረዋለሁ ተሳስቻለሁ በጣም ይቅርታ እንድታደርግ just like that ነው የምጠብቀው ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የምትሉት ሲ ብላችሁ የምትመልሱልኝ please ሲ ብላችሁ መልሱልኝ nice no matter how tiresome the journey was blank we sentence base complete the beginning sentence ነው የሚላችሁ የተጀመረ ግራመር አለ በተጀመረው ግራመር ሌላውን ኮምፕሊት አድርጉት ነው እዚህ ጋር ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ነው ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር የሚገባው ለማወቅ መጀመሪያ የመጀመሪያውን ዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ጽንሰ ሐሳብ መረዳት ያስፈልጋቸዋል no matter how tiresome the journey ወድ ማለት መንገዱ ምንም እንኳን አሰልቺ ቢሆንም ነው ያላችሁ ያለው መንገዱ ምንም እንኳን አሰልቺ ቢሆንም ሲል በምን መልኩ ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ይጠበቅባቸዋል እናንተ we fail to achieve our goal is you right both two negative idea can be really parallel no we were successful it took 3 hours to travel by bus some of us were disappointed yeah ገብቷችኋል ስለዚህ we were successful ምንም እንኳን even though the journey was tiresome we were successful right and it took 3 hours to complete the journey to finish the journey no the answer is b ብላችሁ ነው b ብላችሁ contrast idea no nice question number 90 blank the sun rises at 12 I'll report to the new manager of the project when until after things all the words are conjunctions what kind of conjunction time subordinating time or adverbs of time ነው የምንላቸው but when do we use when until after since መቼም ተቀባቸው clear ነው yeah when the sun rises at 12 I will report to the new project or the new manager of the project here time ነው የሚፈልገው ልክ 12 ሰዓት ፀሐይ እንደወጣች ለፕሮጀክቱ አዲስ ማናጀር ሄጄ ሪፖርት አደርጋለሁ ነው until ማለት I'm waiting you until you come I'm still here until you come after I complete my work I'm going to ልል እችላለሁ or I'll have ልል እችላለሁ actually yes since የምጠቀም ከሆነ ደግሞ reason እና time ነው የሚገልጽልኝ but in this case since appropriate conjunction አይደለም so the answer is a ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ question number 20 she did it very well the negative from the sentence is this a bonus kind of question please she did it very well the negative from the sentence is ነው የሚላችሁ she did it very well she didn't not very well negative from ጽፉት እንደነ ጽፉት ይሄን she did it not very well is that right she did not have it very well is this right she didn't do it very well okay she doesn't do it very well so the answer is c ልክ ነው ምን ማለት ነው ማለት please she did it ስል did የዱና የዳስ past form ነው አይደል past form ከሆነ ምንድነው የምጠቀመው የኔጌቲቭ ፎርም ሲቀይር የነዚህን present form ነው የምጠቀመው ማለት ነው yes present form ነው የምጠቀመው ማለት ስለዚህ she didn't do it very well she didn't do it very well right ሌሎች ግን መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም እዚሁ ላይ ይሄን ጥያቄ ጨርሰናል እንደዚህ ይሄን ወደ question ሲቀይሩት ነው የሚላችሁ the question from the above sentences did she do it very well yeah did she do it very well እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ነገር inversion ማድረግ did she do it very well yes she did it very well no she didn't do it very well no she didn't do it very well ስለዚህ did she do it very well correct question form right መልሳችሁ a interpreting a reading text in the margin is an example of yes right a reading text in the margin of right and reading text when you are reading for reading text when you are in the middle of reading a reading text how can you interpret the reading text totally yes ገብቷችኋል አይደል ያነበብኩ ያለው reading texቱን ኮምፕሬንት እንዴት ላድርገው እንዴት ኢንተርፕሬት ላድርገው ምን አይነት ሪዲንግ ስትራቴጂ መጠቀም አለብኝ ነው ፖስት ሪዲንግ ነው ፖስት ሪዲንግ አናላይዝ ለማድረግ ኮምፕሬሄንድ ለማድረግ ከሌሎች ስኪሎች ጋር ኢንተግሬት ለማድረግ ፖስት ሪዲንግ ይጠቀማለሁ ፕሪ ሪዲንግ ማይ ኦን ኤክስፒሪየንስ ለመጠቀም የራሴን ባክግራውንድ ለመጠቀም ገስ አደርጋለሁ። ፖስት ሪዲንግ ፕሪ ሪዲንግ አይሆንም አይደለ? ዲስቲንክሽን ምናምን ፐብሊሽንግ እሱማ። ስለዚህ አጭር መልስ አክቲቭ ሪዲንግ ስትራቴጂ ዊዝ ዋይድ ሪዲንግ ማለት ነው። ዋይድ ሪዲንግ it is expected to exploit about the reading text because you are in the middle of activating the reading text, interpreting, analyzing, acting out. Active reading is an important to interpret the reading because you employ that critical reading, comprehensive reading, inferential reading. Active reading strategy is important here. እነዚህ ሁሉ የለፈለፍኳቸውን ጉዳዮች የምንይዝበት active reading strategy ላችሁ ነው። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ እሱ ነው የሚሆነው። ናይስ great. Let's pass to the question number 23 please. Yeah, nice please. The phrase, well, I support that one way to look at it, spoken with a low first flat tone is likely someone. No, look at another example. I know a low flat tone. My tone is very low flat tone. Well, I suppose that is also true. Yeah, just may I tell you, just, that's okay, but how you think? እንደዛ አይነት ቶን ተጠቅሜ መግለጽ ስፈልግ ምን ማለት ስፈልግ ነው ጥያቄው የሚጠይቃቸው። Well, I support that one way to look at it is that's okay, it's true, better, but ብዬ የምገልጸው ቶኔም የሚገልጽባቸውም ኤክስፕሬሽኖች የሚገልጹት ነገር አለ። strong agreement ነው የሚገልጸው። strong agreement. I certainly agree with you, sir. Strong agreement ነው። Yeah, polite disagreement or skepticism ነው የምንለው polite disagreement because I want to lose my intimacy with my friend, so I must be systematic diplomatic agreement, diplomatic disagreement or diplomatic disagreement ማለት ዲፕሎማቲክ ሆኜ disagreement መግለጽ ማለት ነው። skepticism ማለት systematically escape from the problem ማለት ነው። right? ስለዚህ polite disagreement የምጠቀም ከሆነ ምክንያቱም ጓደኝነት ላለማጣትል የምጠቀምበት ቶንና expression very different ይለያያል። yeah, well, yeah, my friend told me something but I don't want to agree with you, but my expression is not on high tone አይደለም. Well, what he told me is, well, that what he told me is right. Anyway, ይረዳኛል agree አላደረኩም በሐሳቡ ማለት ነው። nice, that's the right way please. Question number 24. To manage communication anxiety, recommended strategies. You know, communication anxiety. Someone who doesn't present or speak in front of the audiences because of some more problems. That is communicative anxiety. He may be frustrated because it may be the first time to stand in front of the audiences, because his pronunciation is too poor, because he doesn't have language expression, he doesn't have vocabulary words. Some more problems are tightened for the presenter. We can say that communication anxiety. strategy የሆነው የትኛው ነው የሚላችሁ? የትኛው ነው ይሄን አንዛይቲ ያለበትን ሰው recommended strategy confidence develop እንዳደርግ የትኛውን? avoiding eye contact, no. Focusing on negative outcomes to stay motivated, no. Practicing and positive visualization, exactly the right answer is C. I encourage my students to practice more and more by giving some simple, common and advanced titles. I also encourage you some more strategies to practicing or presenting something in front of the audiences. So I told you to develop about oral presentation skills beginning from eye contacts. እነዚህ ስትራቴጂዎች ነው ለተማሪዎች ማውራቸው ማሳያቸው ፕራክቲስ እንዲያደርጉ ማድረጋቸው። አቸስ እንደዚህ ካደረኩ በኋላ ይሄ ሻይነስ ይቀራል፣ ኮሚኒኬሽን አንዛይቲ ይቀራል ማለት ነው። that is please yeah. ተማሪው ፕሬዘንት እያደረገ ባይኔ የምገለምጠው ከሆነ ኔጌቲቭ ቪዥዋላይዜሽን ነው። ተማሪው ይጠፋል፣ ክላሱንም ይጠላል፣ እኔንም ይጠላል እየተገላላ። ስለዚህ ፖዚቲቭ ቪዥዋላይዜሽን ነው የምጠቀመው። ራይት አፕሪሺየት አደርጋለሁ ፕሬዘንት ሲያደርግ ተማሪ ቢሳሳትም ባይሳሳትም wrong pronunciation ቢኖር ባይኖርም። great. Which one of the following sentences is true and meaningful in as an English speaker? nice. የትኛው አረፍተ ነገር ነው acceptable የሚላችሁ? የትኛው አረፍተ ነገር acceptable ነው የሚላችሁ? the cattle drink water once in a week. right? Is it right sentence please? Can I some things about it please? No, I don't know. Why you were late yesterday? No. Can I have a cup of water please? All right. Nice. Is it possible to say please? ይሄ ልክ አይደለም። The cattle collective noun ነው። collective noun singular verb ነው። agree የሚያደርጉት ስህተት ነው። The cat drinks ነው መሆን ያለበት። Can I say something about it please ነው የምንለው። Can I say action verb መምጣት አለበት ከሰብጀክቱ ቀጥሎ እንደ definite pronoun ነው አይደል የሚመጣው። ይሄ object ነው እኮ yes can I say something ነው። where you were no where were you late last night why were you late last night why were you late last night እንደዚህ ብዬ ነው የምጠይቀው please. Can I have a cup of water please? Right, this is the right one please. Can I have a cup of water please? Can I have a cup of water please ብዬ ትገልጸዋለሁ። ልክ ነው። a cup of water please, the right one. so መልሳችሁ ማለት የሚሆነው ይሄ ነው acceptable abc acceptable language አይደሉም። question number 26 yeah question number 26 if you are late to the business meeting what you like to say to the manager? There is a business meeting. You are informed to have a business meeting, but unfortunately, you are late to the business meeting. The meeting is running by the manager. You arrived there late. What you like to say to the manager? Hi, I'm late. Is it right? No, unacceptable, wrong. I don't agree with. No, it's not a kind of agreement, it's agreement. No one asked whether he agrees or disagrees. Wrong expression. I'm probably sorry. I had another meeting. Maybe this may be the reason. Yes. I'm very sorry, I had another meeting and it took much time for the meeting. Yes, right. በጣም ይቅርታ ሌላ ስብሰባ ስለነበረብኝ ነው. Of course, ምክንያት ነው reason ነው ሊሆን ይችላል። I told you to come the meeting. No, that's not the right answer. So the answer is C exactly. ካላችሁ ልክ ናችሁ። C ብላችሁ ነው መለስ ያለባችሁ. Which listening strategy involves using background knowledge to predict content? background knowledge content. By the way, approaches አሉ reading እና listening ላይ the bottom up approach, the top up approach, and there is also another the intensive approach and the extensive approach. four approaches አሉ ዝሪስ በደንብ ማየት አለብን። top down approach ማለት አንባቢው ወይም አድማጩ የራሱን background knowledge ተጠቅሞ listening ቴክስቱን ሐሳቡን የሆነ ነገር predict ወይ guess ማድረግ ሲችል ነው። bottom up approach ማለት which is the very important part ነው ይሄኛው. every information is given that every information አለ እዛ ከስታቲክ ወይም ከስፔሲፊክ ነው የሚነሳው bottom up approach። ይሄ the modern approach ነው please. the modern top background information background experience አይጠቀም. so the listener may start from the reading text please. yeah environmenቱን እዛ ጋር ያለውን detailed information አይቶ የሆነ ነገር ማለት ሲችል ነው bottom up approach። ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምትሉኝ እዚህ ጋር background knowledge the top down processing system is right answer please. right answer please. question number 28 if your teacher was not convinced about the reason that told him to your lateness to class what will he have to say to you? right, if your teacher was not convinced about the reason that you told him to your lateness to class what will he like to say to you? right, ምንድነው እያላችሁ ያለው? your teacher was not convinced about the reason what that told him. መምህሩን የሆነ ነገር ነግራችሁታል ለምን ክላስ ዘግይታችሁ እንደመጣችሁ፣ ነገር ግን የነገራችሁት ምክንያት አሳማኝ አይደለም። ስለዚህ አሳማኝ ካልሆነ እሱ ምን ብሎ ነው የሚመልስላችሁ ነው የሚላችሁ። take it easy no take it easy don't mention it. if you answer take it easy don't mention is also possible now. I told you many times but don't repeat this again. that's okay anyway take it easy or maybe just you get in place. no that's አንዳንድ ጊዜ ደግሞ አግሬሲቭ ሊሆን ይችላል አይደል? አፖሎጂ ሪፊውዝ ሊያደርገው ይችላል. that's your business. it's nonsense. you just don't enter to my class please. you must bring your families your parents to my class ሊለው ይችላል። right ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? ሲ ካላችሁ absolutely ተግባብተናል ማለት ነው። ሲ ነው መልሳችሁ። which of the following is not oral presentation skill? oral present very important. the first one eye contact, confidence, language fluency, accuracy, pronunciation, facial expression. ስድስት oral presentation ስትራቴጂዎች አሉ። ከነዚህ ውስጥ አንዛይቲ አይደለም መልሳችሁ አንዛይቲ ነው። question number 30 please 30 if you are writing a paragraph about Addis Ababa the best way of organizing exactly quality of writing paragraph አሉን please ዩኒቲ፣ ኦርደር፣ ኮሄረንስ፣ ኮምፕሊትነስ ኤንድ ቫራይቲ የምንላቸው ናቸው። ከነዚህ ውስጥ ኦርደርን ስትመጡ ክሮኖሎጂካል ኦርደር፣ ስፓሻል፣ ኢንደክቲቭ፣ ዲደክቲቭ ኦርደር። አምስተኛው ኦርደር ኦፍ ኢምፖርታንስ በራይተሩ የሚወሰን ነው። ስለ አዲስ አበባ ጻፉልኝ ብላችሁ ሀሳባችሁን ኦርደራይዝ የምታነጉበት መንገድ ምንድን ነው? actually the title is Addis Ababa. The title matters to write a kind of paragraph, the kind of paragraph that you will develop it. All right, so this is called descriptive paragraph. If you are writing a paragraph about Addis Ababa, your paragraph writing is descriptive because you are intended to describe Addis Ababa and make a vivid image to the readers. So that kind of idea is not chronological, not logical, not causative, but spatial order. Spatial order is writing or arranging of ideas in directions, based on direction. You may start from the southern part of Addis and then come to the northern part of Addis, then the western part of Addis, then the eastern part of Addis, then the central or the middle part of Addis. If you write just like this, your paragraph is vividly, really, any very smart and meaningful paragraph, you write it. So the answer is spatial order. Thank you very much. Question number 31. Question number 31. Synthesis in writing involves. Synthesis in writing involves blank. What synthesis mean? What's analysis? Analysis and synthesis. ምንድነው analysis ማለት? Analysis in research. Analysis means interpreting of the data what you have gathered from different data gathering instruments. Analysis. You are coming to analysis. Interpret, describe, make expand your idea. Analysis. What about synthesis? The opposite of analysis. Analysis. Summarizing, combining, coordinating, conjoining. Synthesis ትሉታላችሁ። መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? Combining of ideas from a meaningful sources. Yeah, that's called synthesis ትሉታላችሁ. I think this is the first part of model exit exam. Actually we left 70 questions. Alright, ምናልባት ሁሉንም 100 ጥያቄዎች በአንድ ጊዜ ባቀርባቸው it will take more than 3 hours. ከ3 ሰዓት በላይ ሊወስድ ይችላል። ምናልባት ቪዲዮውን ለማየት ስለቻላችሁ፣ ስለዚህ በፓርት ባድርገው ለእናንተ ቪዲዮውን ለማየት በጣም ይመቻቸዋል ብዬ ስለማስብ እዚህ ጋር ቆመውና ቀጣይ ፓርቱን በሚቀጥለው ፓርት አቀርበዋለሁ ማለት ነው። I think watch this video. 31 questions I have presented here. We have left 70 questions. The questions as I did at the beginning of my presentation here. All the course from year 1 to year 3. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. I'm Mr. Kabara from Family English Language Improvement Center. Please contact me and don't forget to subscribe, my friends. Yes, thank you very much.